Good morning. You're watching Atlanta and Company. I'm Christine Pilara. Are you looking to embark on a culinary adventure that will prepare you for a career in the culinary arts? Kennesaw's culinary program offers a 9-month program that will challenge your taste buds and how you view food. Today, joining us to talk about the apprenticeship program are Chief Chef Fraser Breckenridge and Culinary Apprenticeship Certificate Graduate, that's a mouthful, Margaret Carizda. Thank you all for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
And we must mention your sous chef who will quietly be assisting. So thank you for being here also. Okay, Chef, tell us about this program.
Okay, it's a 9-month program. It lasts from September to May. It's an apprenticeship program. The students spend 1 night a week in the classroom with me. It's from 5 to 9 o'clock on Wednesday nights. They also spend 15 hours at one of our apprenticeship locations. Those locations include Park 75 at Four Seasons, Villa Cristina at Perimeter Summit, Elevation Chop House.
Great places.
Endive Catering, Parsley's Catering in Gabriel. So it's a nice little blend of restaurants and catering companies and bakeries.
So does a student have to have any culinary knowledge before entering the program? If they can boil water and that's it, can they still come to you?
None whatsoever. We have students from all walks of life. They're either recent high school graduates, people that have been out there working in the professional field for quite some time and maybe want to go a different direction with their career, and also people that just want to get a sense of enrichment, you know, and just learn how to cook.
Yeah, I would love that. I definitely need it. Talk about what they learn in the classroom. Kind of walk us through what it's like.
Sure. Well, the classroom is based on the cooking methods. So we have a class devoted to sautéing, one devoted to grilling, broiling, deep frying. We have a class on baking, which includes the students baking breads from scratch.
Oh, wow.
We have a starch class where students make pasta from scratch. Also a pastry class where they make ice cream bases, soufflés, mousses, and there's a knife skills class as well.
Wow, so you just kind of covered the game. Yeah, knife skills, that's what I need.
Yep.
I want to just be impressive when my guests come over and just do that good little chop where you hold your... Anyway, you have to teach me that.
Sure,
and Margaret,
sure.
you've been through it, so tell us all about it.
Well, I'm enjoying the culinary program benefits right now. I actually came from Delta Airlines, from corporate sales. So this is a totally different program for me. So because I loved cooking all my life, I wanted to change my career and
Good for you.
do something that I enjoyed passionately. So I came to Kennesaw State Culinary Program. And it was wonderful, and I have benefited from it right now. I have my own catering company, Helen Michaels.
Fantastic.
And I'm also going to open a restaurant soon, hopefully in the fall. Yes.
You gotta love hearing those stories, right?
It's great. Yeah, it's a great success story.
Well, and it is nice because sometimes, like you said, it's not something maybe you've had all your whole life. I want to be a chef, or like Margaret, you're just wanting to switch gears, and this is the place to do that. That's great. And I know you want to make some bruschetta today.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
tell me how to do it.
All right, with bruschetta, we use romaine tomatoes, and I'm going to cut the tomato to show you how we do it.
Yes, show me.
Okay, we'll cut it
Show me
in
those
four.
fancy knife skills.
Sure. Okay, and we're going to seed the tomato.
Okay.
Okay, so
And what's the best part? Why use the Roma tomatoes?
because they are juicy, fresh, and easily available.
Perfect.
Okay,
Excellent.
so here we are, and then we just chop it down.
There we go. Look at that.
Inexpensive as well.
And
Yes.
inexpensive as
Inexpensive,
well. Okay.
yes.
And as she's slicing and dicing, Chef, what places can students, you were mentioning some of the places that they can start their apprenticeship. Is that throughout the greater Atlanta area?
That's throughout the greater Atlanta. We have some locations in Smyrna, Kennesaw, downtown Atlanta. Park 75 at Four Seasons is downtown Atlanta. Villa Cristina is in the
it's-
Sandy Springs, Dunwoody area. So it's a nice little experience, and the chefs are really talented. And they realize the students are there to learn, so they take the time and sort of guide them and don't just treat them as employees, but as students.
Right. What's that show with the mean, angry chef? What is it? You know, that I
Which one?
forget. Yeah, exactly. The one
Yeah.
where he yells at everyone. I don't watch it because
Gordon
I'm like,
Ramsay?
God. Yes,
Yeah.
I'm like, he's so hard on everyone. So definitely your chefs are a little bit nicer and,
Oh,
and
yeah.
have a little more patience with the students, right?
Yeah, like I said, they're there. They realize the students are there to learn, and it's a school. It should be kind of like an extension of the classroom
Sure.
inside the restaurant. So they exercise a lot of patience, and they give us a lot of good feedback on the students as well.
All right. So, Margaret, we have our tomatoes all sliced up.
Yes.
I see you just did a little bit of red onion.
Yes, I did.
And
And now
now
I'm going to chiffonate the bruschetta
Got it.
because it bleeds, so you have to be tender.
One thing I want to add while she's doing the chiffonade is this is a part of the College of Continuing and Professional Education. This is separate from the KSU College of Culinary Sustainability. That's a degree program on the main campus. So they're easily confused.
Okay, so this was, what's the difference then? Culinary sustainability? Is that what you
Culinary
said?
sustainability, yeah, that has something to do with just sustainable produce, fish that hasn't been overfished,
Oh, got it.
organic farming. It's just a program devoted to that. It's
Okay.
the first of its kind that I know about, but this is concentrated on culinary arts, which is just cooking. We have a little portion of the class is devoted to restaurant management and food and beverage cost control, a lot of math.
Fantastic. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
A lot
fun
of
stuff.
math, yes. And I'm smelling garlic.
Yes,
Smells so
ma'am.
nice.
And refreshing.
Yes. How much garlic you use? I guess it depends, right?
It depends on how much you're making.
Okay.
So you chop your garlic.
Okay.
Yes, because you don't want to bite into a big chunk of garlic.
That is
Yeah.
so true, yes. And that's one thing I'm not good at. I just
It's real easy.
Yeah.
You see what I'm
Got to
doing
make
right
sure I
here?
just take enough time to really get it nice and minced, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that the right terminology? Minced?
That's it.
As
Yes.
opposed to diced?
You dice tomatoes
Yeah,
and you mince garlic.
Thank
Mince
you.
is just a finer, much finer chop. Dice
Got
is
it.
larger. Like the tomatoes over here, this would be a dice.
That'd be diced. Got
Yeah.
it. And Margaret, did
Small
you
dice.
decide, like, were you, when you were working for Delta, would you just have friends over? You never stopped your passion for cooking, right?
No,
Sounds
I never did. I always used to, when we had cookouts at school, at work, at church, at home, I always invite people over and bring food to work.
And then you just decided this is something I love it so much, I want to dedicate my career to it.
Yes, so I had an opportunity to take an early retirement package from Delta Airlines, and here I am,
I love it.
enjoying my life.
And did I read that 6 of your graduates were offered jobs at your apprenticeship sites? That's phenomenal.
That's true. It's a very remarkable achievement. 6 students out of 12 that were in the class this rotation. What we try to do at Kennesaw is we really try to bridge the gap between the students and the employers, and we feel that we do that successfully through these relationships with these restaurants and catering companies.
That's phenomenal.
So it's a really interesting thing to see them progress so fast and so quickly throughout the program.
All right, and I know that we're going to have him assemble it. We only have about 30 seconds left, and I want to
Okay,
hear all
sure.
about this mystery basket.
Okay, the mystery basket, we have 2 of them a year, one in December and one in May. And basically, it's our version of the popular Food Network show Chopped. Students are given a protein, a starch, and a vegetable. They don't know what they are until they open the basket, and they're given about 90 minutes to prepare a dish.
Oh, how fun.
And it's a lot of fun. Every year, about a handful of students really nervous before and clam up, but about halfway through, you can see the smiles sort of come on, and they come alive, and the creativity starts to
juices.
flow. Yeah, the creative juices, yeah.
Exactly. And your expo, tell us quickly about that.
Expo, Career Expo, it's a part of the College of Continuing and Professional Education, so it's all courses involved in that college. It's next week on Thursday, July the 25th.
Okay.
It's from 6 to 8 p.m. The culinary information session is from 7:15 to 8 p.m. In that session, prospective students will hear from Pam Moss, who is the program director, myself, former students that have gone through the program, gotten the experience. And they'll
Margaret.
be able to take a tour of the kitchen, which is a professionally equipped kitchen, which rivals any restaurant kitchen, in my opinion. It's all the bells and whistles, grills, gas ranges, salamanders, deep fryers.
Fun. And once again, that information's right there. Guys, thank you so much. This
Thank
looks
you.
delicious. I can't wait to taste it as we
You
go
can
into the
take a bite.
commercial break. For more information, call 770-423-6765 or simply log on to ksuculinary.com. That's ksuculinary.com. Great job, all of you. This looks just delicious. We'll be right back with more Atlanta and Company after this short break. Stick around.